Hi there, I'm Jules from thesstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for our tuna ragu, I'm actually going to serve it with some cabbage noodles, which is just cabbage I've chopped up finely or kind of into 1 centimetre, ½ inch kind of strips. I just boiled it for 3 minutes. So now I'm going to get it off the heat and I'm going to drain it. So I'm just going to cook the capers in a bit of oil. I've got 2 tablespoons of capers that they were salted, so I just soaked them in a bit of oil. And we just want to cook them until they open up and go nice and crispy. Okay, that might do for my capers. So I'm just going to get some of them out and drain them on some paper towel, and I'll leave and I'll leave the rest there for the sauce. Then I'm going to get a can of tuna, large can of tuna in oil. I'm going to get that in the pan, and I'm leaving the oil and the juices from the can as well, because that's going to cook into our sauce. This is in olive oil. If you've got tuna in vegetable oil, you might like to drain it and then just add some extra nice olive oil. Okay, so just going to break it up a bit with the fork. And you can leave it as chunky as you like. And then I'm using tomato passata, so I want about half the bottle, so which is about 1.5 cups of passata. And I'm going to get in a couple of tablespoons of butter. It's probably 3 or 4 there. Use as much butter as you like. Butter's really great because it softens like the fat and the creaminess of it, balances out the acidity from the tomatoes, so it makes the sauce taste like it's been simmering for a long time, even though it's only been simmering for a short time. So then we're just going to bring that up to a simmer and just kind of cook it for 5 minutes or so to bring the flavors together. Okay, so my sauce has simmered for a little bit over 5 minutes actually, and it's reduced down. It's looking lovely. I've had a taste. I'm happy with it. You may need to add some salt. You may need to add a bit more butter if it tastes a bit sharp, or if it's too thick, it's too runny, you can just keep simmering it for another few minutes. It's still going to cook down, but I'm happy with that. So I've squeezed out my cabbage and I've just got it in the bowl here. Of course, you could serve this sauce with pasta if you aren't so into cabbage, but the cabbage is delicious. It's worth trying. And so I'm going to top with a generous amount of sauce. And then I'm going to finish with some shavings of parmesan and a few of those crispy capers. They're actually not that crispy, but yours will be crispy. A few extra capers that I kept aside, and we're good to go. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thesstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.